Popular Nigerian socialite Cubana ChiefPriest has warned wealthy people in Nigeria to stop spraying money at parties. He shared this warning after another famous businessman, E-Money, was recently arrested by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). On May 1, 2025, Cubana ChiefPriest, whose real name is Pascal Okechukwu, posted on social media that he almost went to jail in 2024 because of spraying money at an event. He said that the EFCC is watching and rich people should be careful. He explained that from now on, he would never spray money again in any currency and is looking for new ways to show wealth at parties without breaking the law. His post went viral and caused many reactions online. Some people laughed about it, while others agreed with him and said the culture of spraying money might not be too much. Spraying money at events is a popular part of Nigerian parties, but the EFCC says it's against the law, especially when foreign currency is used. The EFCC recently arrested E-Money in his home in Lagos. He was taken to Abuja for questioning but was later released after a few hours. A few people questioned why only certain people are being arrested and not everyone, while others joked that musicians might suffer because fans won't spray money any longer. Social media critic Very Darkman also warned businessman Obi Cubana, saying he might be the next target after E-Money's arrest. Cubana ChiefPriest ended his message by urging fellow businessmen to avoid naira abuse and protect their freedom. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Do well to share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.